Hello guys, welcome back to a new video and a new session, another haul that I am making. This one is going to be amazing. सारे अच्छे थे वैसे तो, but this one is a little bit better because the products are so amazing, so affordable and the quality is so good that you are gonna like it too much. क्योंकि मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आए हैं एंड तो मैं बता दूँ दैट दिस वीडियो और आई वुड से द हॉल is from the Flipkart. All the products that I have bought are from Flipkart, and not this time not only clothing, but I have bought different products from that app. The best part about Flipkart that I liked is that the products are so affordable. Like you cannot you the Flipkart and Amazon are two apps where you can find affordable yet good quality products. Myntra is a little pricey, though the quality of those products are also good, but when you have to compare the prices and the quality of the products from one application to other, I think Flipkart and Amazon are way better. Before starting the video, I would say please subscribe to my channel. Help me grow and help me making more such videos and more beautiful content for you guys. So now let's start with our today's video. The first product in this list is this one. This is a cord set, or I would say a tracksuit, which is so good. The quality of this product is so amazing, and the size fits me very well, and it looks so trendy and so classy on me. I really love this one, and you can wear it in summers. You can wear it when you jog, when you exercise, when you go to gym, when you go outside even. So this is a amazing product, must buy guys, literally must buy, very nice product. Second one is this is a jogger. The color of this one, I really love the color, light pink, and it looks so good, and the quality of the product is so good. The material is very nice, however you cannot wear it in summers very much because it does not let the air passes from it, and it makes you a lot sweaty when you wear it. So I advise you to wear it during the time when it is not too hot and when it is not too cold, but the product is so amazing. Let's go to the third one. Third one. Third one is this. This one is a jeans, a baggy jeans. This is from Tokyo Talkies, as much as I can remember, and the jeans is so good, guys. Sorry. The quality of this jeans is very nice. This is very affordable one. I don't think you will find this quality like Tokyo Talkies jeans. Let me tell you one thing. Uh, the price of this jeans, the similar jeans, Tokyo Talkies and this one on Myntra was 1,000 above. I guess it was around 1,100 or 1,200 something. However, I got this one from Flipkart of approx 600 to 700 something. So you see the price difference is huge when it comes to these applications. So before buying, must compare the prices that the product you are buying. You can find the similar products on different applications as well. So save some money, guys. Now, fourth product is this one. This is a night suit which I bought. Very comfortable night suit. The quality is also so good. The look is so good. The color is so pretty, guys. It looks so good and very comfortable. I think you can buy this one if you are looking for a good comfy night suit for a girly night or to go anywhere. This is a very great product. This was all about the clothing that I have bought from Flipkart. I actually before think that the clothing products are more good on Myntra or Jabong. So I never bought any clothes from Flipkart or Amazon before. But this time when I have tried, I was literally amazed. So I think I can suggest you to buy these products well. So now it comes to the next product. This one is a bag. I really love the bag, guys. The quality is so good. This is it. The best part is the bag does not comes alone. There are two mini bags with it. You can see that the space of the bag is very nice. You can very nice bag if you are purchasing for go for your office purpose or for your college purpose, anything. The other bag that comes with it is this one. This is a small bag that you can take whenever you go out. And the third one is this one. This is a very little cute one, and I really like this one because it comes with a chain and it makes it look very classy and chic. So must buy product, guys. The next product is this one, guys. These are the heels that I bought. Amazing heels, comfortable, very comfortable, and the prices are so good. Like what they are worth their prices. I would say you must buy these one. These are from Style on Toes. These are very affordable. The quality is so good, and they look so nice when you wear them. And you know that these type of heels are in trend, so I think you should buy this one. So now the last product from Flipkart that I bought was this one. This is a showpiece. I really love this one, and however it is a little different from what this shows in the picture. I thought it to be a little glossy, but it does not comes out that to be, but it looks great when you put it in your shelf. Very nice product and worth for its price. It is not at all costly and it looks so good. The size of this product is good. It is not very small, not very large, so you can put it anywhere on the table, on the shelf, anywhere you want. Guys, this was it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you like the haul, you like my views about the products that I bought. I want this time, I am literally saying that I am not able to decide which brand or which product I should suggest you, because all of them are very great. The quality of all the products that I bought from Flipkart are amazing, and they are very much affordable. So you can buy any of the product or any of the products from the brands that I have mentioned. So I think you should go for it and try some of these great products while you just sit at your home and scroll through your phones. So try them out. Let me know in the comment section how do you like it, which one do you like the most, and which one you are going to buy. Before buying anything, guys, do me a favor, like this video and subscribe to my channel so that we can meet other time with a new video and some new content. Anything you want me to make it, please suggest in the comment section. I will be grateful to know and grateful to work on it. Till then, stay safe, stay home. आप थोड़ा बहुत बाहर निकल सकते हो, but be safe, take precautions. Until next time, bye bye.